Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class. On your videos, children, everyone sit properly. Take your textbook and running notes, CW. On your videos. Okay. In last class, we learned decimals, word problems, addition and subtraction, word problems, story problems. In yesterday's class, I explained addition and subtraction, word problems. In today's class, I am going to explain multiplication and division word problems. Multiplication and division word problems. Okay, shall I start, children? In your textbook, page number 47. Exercise 3.7. Exercise 3.7, page number 47. Work out the following sums. Second one. The cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 16.75 rupees. 16.75. Find the cost of $3.75 kgs of sugar. Once you read the question, children, once you read the cost of 1 kg of sugar, the cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 16.75. 1 kg sugar cost is 16 rupees 75 pice. So find the cost of 3.75 kgs of sugar. Yes, 1 kg cost given. 1 kg of sugar cost given. Here we have to find out the 3.75 kgs of sugar cost. We have to find out. How can we find out, children? With multiplication. Okay, with multiplication. First, write the statements. How can we write statement? First, you read the question and you understand the problem. Okay, you understand the problem. First, what given in problem? What is there? First, rupees 16.75. What is 16.75? What is 16.75? Yes, 1 kg of sugar cost. Write down. Cost of 1 kg of sugar. How much cost? Rupees 16.75. 16 rupees 75 pies. Okay, 16 rupees 75 pies. Now we find out the cost of 3.75 kgs of sugar. Okay, next step is, what is 3.75 kgs? What is 3.75 kgs? Number of, okay, cost of 3.75 kgs of sugar. Question mark. We have to find out that one only. Okay. Now what we do, children? 3.75 into 16.75. Do the multiplication. Or we can write 16.75 into 3.75 also. Okay. But here we have to do with 4-digit number. But here we have to do with 3-digit number. So we can do with 3-digit number. That's right. Now again I am writing this one. 16.75 into 3.75. Okay. Now do the multiplication. Now do the multiplication. Don't see here decimal points. Okay. No need to see decimal points. You see only 1675 into 375. You have to see and do the multiplication. Okay. Already did Satvik. Very good. 62.8125. Very good. Okay. Now I am doing this again. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Next 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 3, 32. Next 5 1s are 5 plus 1 plus 3, 8. Next ones number completed. So right into downside of the ones place. Next we have to do with 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 here right up and 5 right here. Carrying them. 7 7s are 49. Seven sevens are 49. 49 plus 3, 52. Next 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5, 47. Next 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Right, 11. Next, multiply by 3. We have to write 2 times into. Because of here ones number and tens number completed. That's why we have to write downside of the ones and tens, right, into symbols. And zeros also. We can write zeros also. Nothing will happen. Rashekar Reddy, stop the message. And listen what? Yes, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22. Yes, 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Yes, 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Add this. 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 11. 8, 8, 16 plus 2, 18. 1 plus 1, 2, 6. Point where will come, children? Here. Point will come. See here. Here 2 numbers, here 2 numbers. So 4 numbers before will come point. So 62 point. Answer is 60. 16.75 into 3.75 equal 62.8125. Okay, 62.8125. Because in question 2 numbers and 2 numbers, 4 numbers before point is there. So in the answer also we can write point before 4 numbers, before 4 digits. Okay, so 62.8125. Okay, next confirmation item. What is the confirmation? Cost of $3.75 kgs of sugar. How much money? What is the cost of 3.75 kgs of sugar? Rupees 62.8125. Okay, this is the answer. First, once again I am reading question. Listen, children. The cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 16.75. 16.75. So find the cost of 3.75 kg of sugar. First, 1 kg of sugar cost given in this problem. 1 kg of sugar cost given. We have to find out the 3.75 kg of sugar. What is the cost of 3.75 kg of sugar? How can we find out? With multiplication. Okay, we can do here multiplication. Now, what is the steps? How can we write steps? First, what is 16.75? What is 16.75? Cost of 1 kg of sugar. Okay, 1 kg of sugar cost is 16.75. Next, we have to find out cost of 3.7 kg of sugar. Just we have to find out that one. How can we find out? With multiplication. Do multiplication. What is the answer? 62.8125. 62.8125. So that is 62.8125 is cost of 3.75 kg of sugar. Okay, the cost of 3.75 kg of sugar is 62 rupees. Rupees 62.8125. 62.8125. Okay. Is it clear, children? Did you understand how can we do multiplication word problems? Okay. Next, I am going to explain word problems, division word problems. In decimals, division word problems. Division. Okay, remaining multiplication problems in your textbook exercise 3.7, 3.6, 3.5. In exercise 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, those exercises have word problems of multiplication. Multiplication word problems are there. So just you have to try to your own children in your CW. Okay. In that, if you have any doubt, you call me, you ask me. Then in next class again I will explain those problems. Okay. Did you understand what I said? Okay. Okay, good. Now, exercise 3.10. Exercise 3.10, page number 57. Exercise 3.10, page number 57. 12th one. If 25 ball pens cost rupees 318.75. 0.75. What is the cost of each ball pen? Each ball pen. If 25 ball pens cost, if 25 pens cost given here in this problem, 25 pens cost given. How much given? Rupees 318.75. Rupees 318.75. Now we have to find out cost of each ball pen. Means cost of one ball pen. One pen cost how much? You're asking one pen cost how much? How much one pen cost? So what we do? Do the division. See children here, multiplication is opposite of division. Division is opposite of multiplication. Once you complete these two problems, here 1 kg cost given. Okay, 1 kg sugar cost given. Find out the sum of the cost. Sum of the cost means 3.75 kg of sugar cost here asking. Okay, here 1 kg. One of the cost given. Sum of the cost asking in multiplication. In multiplication, one of the cost given. Sum of the cost find out in multiplication. Then we have to do multiplication. But in division, sum of the cost given. Sum of the cost means 25 ball pens cost given. Here we have to find out each ball pen. One ball pen. Cost of one pen. Sum of the cost given. Here we have to find out one of the cost. But here one of the cost given, sum of the cost find out in multiplication. Then we have to do multiplication. But here one of the cost asking in this problem. So what we do here? Division. What is the difference? Two problems. Once you compare. Okay? Did you understand? Multiplication and division. Multiplication is opposite of division. Means multiplication having two division facts. Division having two multiplication facts. When we do division, we are using multiplication. You know already the thing. With multiplication table only, we can do division. Okay? So, 25 ball pens cost is 318.75. What is the cost of each ball pen? We have to find out one ball pen. So first statement. What is this first step? Cost of 25 ball pens. Cost of 25 ball pens. Cost of 25 ball pens. What is the cost of 25 ball pens? Rupees 318.75. Okay. Next, cost of each ball pen. Cost of each ball pen. Each ball pen, question mark. Right? We can find that one. That's it. Cost of each ball pen. Now we have to find out that one only. So what we write here? Next step is 318.75 divided by 25. 318.75 divided by 25. Okay. Now do the division. Here first take 3 numbers. 3 smaller than 25. Next take 1 answer. 31. 31 is greater than 25. So take 31. To 31, nearest and smallest number in 25 table. Which number is there? Once you recall the table, 25 table. 25 ones are 25. 12.75. Yes, very good. Correct answer. 12.75 is correct answer. So how can we find out? Listen, children. Okay, good, Srishant. Okay, next. See once, children, in our class 23 members present. See, in EVS class 28 members, 27 members present. Next English class also 27, 28 members present. In my class, now 24 members present. So those who are absent, today I will call in. I will talk with your parents. 31 minus 25. 6. Take next number. 8. 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. 8. 6 minus 5. 1. Take next number. 7. 187. 25 7s are 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 14 3 7. 175. 7s are 175. Next 7 minus 5 2. 8 minus 7 1. Take next number 5. 5s are 125. 125 minus 125 0. Okay, 125 minus 125 0 children. Here 0. Now what is the quotient? 12 1275. But point there is there. 2 numbers before point is there. So we have to put point 12.75 before 2 digits. So what is the cost of each ball pen? Cost of each ball pen. ₹12.75. 12.75. Means that is cost of each ball pen. Cost of each ball pen. 25 ball pens cost is ₹318.75. But each one pen cost is ₹12.75. 12 rupees 75 paise. 12.75. Okay. This is word problem of multiplication, decimal multiplication and decimal division word problems. Okay. In next remaining problems, in your textbook exercise 3.10, some more problems are there, children. Same as it is. First read the question, read the problem, and first you understand the problem and what now. Write the steps and do the divisions. Division word problems, do the division, and multiplication word problems, do the multiplication. Okay, try to your own first. Next, children. In page number 57. Once you see, take out the textbook. Page number 57. In your textbook, page number 57. Yes. In 57 page, revision exercise is there, children. Once you observe, Revision exercise. Revision exercise. Before what I said in decimals unit, from decimals unit starting onwards, what I said, those problems only having this one. See once, first, work out the following divisions. First bit, work out the following divisions. Here, decimal number divided by whole number. How can we do division? You know already. Okay? You know very well. Next, second bit, to write the quotient of each of the following without actual division. Without actual division, we can say what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Divided by 10, divided by 100. Okay. Next, third bit also you can do, children. Because the decimal divided by decimal number. Decimal number divided by decimal number. Next, fourth bit, fifth bit, and remaining but problems are there. So, you complete revision exercise also in your CW tomorrow and after tomorrow and Sunday also you can complete. Now 27 members present. Okay? Did you understand, children? Decimals unit. Decimal addition, decimal subtraction, decimal multiplication, decimal division, word problems and sums. Next, how to write in decimal form, how to write in fraction form, how to write in division form. How can we do division, multiplication, addition, subtraction? Okay. Did you understand this unit, decimals unit? In this decimal unit, if you have any doubt, you call me. Again, I will explain. If you don't have any doubts, you can complete revision exercise sums. First bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit. And word problems also you can complete. Then if you have any doubt, call me. Okay? I think I sent third unit paid notes also. So complete, children, in your paid notes third unit. And take correction also. Okay, children. Next class, in tomorrow class, I will explain fourth unit, simplifications. Okay? Thank you, children.
Fourth class 27 and Malayalam.